What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install a new horn, a louder horn, okay? Let's do it. Okay guys, today we're gonna install a louder horn. For those of you guys that owns a Corolla, you know that the horn is ugly. I don't like it. So today we're gonna put a louder horn, okay? This is my Corolla. Okay, this is my Corolla, so let's hear first the stock horn. Okay, I'm gonna show you the stock horn first, so you can see it, okay? This is, I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. Where is it? Oh, okay. Okay, this is the horn. Super small, right? That's why I don't like it. So let me show you. Let me show you the one I got. Okay, this is the one I got. It's a neochrome, the loud horn, and this one it's around $20. Okay, and I got the wiring harness. Okay, so let me see if I can open it. Okay, you can see it. Whoa. Okay. So this is the rear connections. This is called neochrome. Okay, I got this one because I like the color. I think it's gonna look cool on the car. But you can get this on white, red, blue, yellow, and I think that's it. I think there are more colors. I'm gonna put the links for these ones and another different ones, okay? And also I'm gonna put the links for the wiring harness too. This one that I got, okay? Okay, this is the wiring harness that I have. This one already has a relay. You can see it here, a relay. And it has the black one is for the ground, and the one that has the fuse is for the power. Okay, you can connect this one direct to the battery. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. If not, you can get it from the fuse box too, if you don't want to connect this directly to the battery. But it has a fuse just in case you don't want to burn your car. Okay, it has let me see, 25 amps, I think. Is that the way it's called? Amp. And I see here it has, okay, I think these two are for the horns. It has this one, both of them has the same connection. You can see it right here. Let me see, you can see it, because we have two horns. Okay, 1, 2, and this one that has like a weird connection, I think this one goes to the stock horn connection. Okay, the OEM. Okay, as you can see, this one already has a thing for the bolt like this one. So I only need to get another bolt for this one. But first I'm gonna connect everything, and then I'll figure out how to get another bolt. I might have to buy another one for this one. Okay, this is the stock horn, but it looks like this one. This is the power, and the ground is this one. So the ground is getting it from the frame. So I don't know if I have to, for the new ones, I have to get a new wire to connect them to the ground. Okay, for now I just connected the horns, the power right here with the ground, and this is the ground and the battery. So I'm gonna test first this, if this is the right connection. Okay, so let's see if it's the right connection. Okay, that's amazing, it worked. So now I have to figure out a way to hide all the wires and the connections. Okay, so I might put it, but I don't want this thing to burn, so I might go under the bumper. I might go here under the bumper, and here I put the negative and the positive in here, and now I'm gonna put it under this, the positive connection. Okay, it has a fuse. Okay, just in case if I blow the fuse, I won't mess up the car. And this one I have to get the right connection, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that. The ground is right here. Okay, on the connections, try to bend it a little bit like this, because it's close to the radiator and you don't want this to burn. So bend it a little bit so it won't be too close to the radiator. Okay. Okay, now the connections are ready. This one is behind there, and the battery with the fuse, the ground right here, the relay is over there. I did the wires over here, but I might run the wires under the radiator over there all the way to the bottom, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that. And this is the ground. And here the connection, I need to get a better connection for that one, and I put a tape for that one. Okay, wire tape. on the horn connection, the OEM connection. And this is the other. I need to get another bolt like this one for that one, but for now I'm gonna show you how it sounds. But I'm gonna put the link for the right bolt that I'm gonna get for this one. Okay, so you will need to get one extra bolt, one connection for that one, for the OEM, and that's it. So let's hear it. This is how you can see it under. Okay guys, that's the horn. This is louder than the stock one, I like it. So let me know what you guys think. It's super easy to install if you get the right tools, right? And the wiring harness, okay? I'm gonna put the link of all the tools that I used today on the description of the video, okay? Let me know what you guys think about the sound. Put in the comments, like the video, and if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.